everyone, welcome back. I am going to try this bloom again. Oh, I'm a sucker for punishment, aren't I? But anyway, here we go. Right, again I've just got a 20 centimeter canvas on my spinner, and I'm going to put the pillow down, which is the house paint, and I am going to just wet the edges. Now today I want to try and use the Amsterdam Titanium White as the cell activator. Now I have spoken to a couple artists who do blooms, and they have confirmed that for some reason the Amsterdam Titanium White does react differently to the black. Now, I don't know why, but I want to, I mean, I like the black, you know, don't get me wrong, but I would like some of my blooms to be with the white and not the black as the cell activator. So, okay, let's go. Put in some colors, starting with this beautiful, beautiful metallic blue. On top of that, I will put some of this metallic green. On top of that, I will put some neon yellow. On top of that, I will put a little bit of this I don't even know what color it is. It's like a pinkish, reddish sort of a color. Put some of that down. Very metallic. And on top of that, I will put some neon pink. And that is that. Okay. And on top of that, I will put my white cell activator. Give it a good stir. Alright, let's go. Right. And then we're going to blow that out and hope for the best. It is the strangest thing, because there are areas of it that just straight away created beautiful lacing, and then other areas it didn't. So I don't understand why it does that. Let's just spin it and see what we get. Yeah, you see it's not right. I mean, it's not bad. I mean, this now could be down to just my uselessness at the blowout. Because I don't suppose it's too bad, actually. I don't know. What I do like is I can see a lot of that metallic all over the place. So if it dries like this, with that metallic all visible, I think it'll be pretty. I mean, it is pretty, I think. It's not 100% right, but it's not bad. I think I'm going to leave this and just see how it dries. Is it moving? A little bit. Maybe I should just give it one more spin. Okay, I'm going to leave this and let it dry, and then I'll see what it looks like. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. It's not bad, like I said. Let me bring you down for a close-up. Hold on a sec. So here it is. So I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. Probably not, but maybe there you can see. It's very metallic, which would be pretty, and of course that's all there. You can see some sparkles there. So look there, it's all metallic, which is going to be pretty if it dries like this. Look there. There are some pretty effects up there. And there is some lacing over there and down here. So it does have pretty effects. I mean, it's not right. The blowout is really just my problem in life. I really just need to practice because it's not easy. And now with this one, it didn't create any cells. You know, you saw that it created around the edges, but not in the middle for some reason. So I'm going to have to keep practicing, and I'm going to have to keep practicing with the white to get it right. But there we go. It's okay. I do like it. If it dries like that, it'll be all right. Where is this one? Here, hold on. It's very dark, but so there's the one that I did on, I think, Wednesday. So it's still wet. It's I think I'm going to take it into the house now, because here in the caravan it's not going to dry, and you know, being winter, it's very cold in here, so that painting is just going to stay wet forever. It's never going to get dry. So I'm going to take it now into the house where it can dry. But anyway, there we go. I just wanted to come and do a quick painting. I will be back tomorrow afternoon. And yeah, be sure to join me tomorrow afternoon for another painting. I'll see you then. Bye.